Hello friends, my name is Asutosh Kumar and I am preparing bioenzyme for 6 months, and of course I am using it for various purposes. Today I am going to show how I am using bioenzyme for my wash basin cleaning. As you can see, there is a brown spots all over the wash basin. So I have prepared this bioenzyme. It is diluted and I am going to just spray over this, and just I will scrub and you will see the live performance of bioenzyme on cleaning purposes. So I am just spraying few sprayed over it, and just I will use this one scrubber, and you will see how it is going to sparkle like a mirror. I am not using anything else except bioenzyme. It is diluted. I have made this. If you find sticky, then you can spray some more bioenzyme over it, and within a second you need not have to wait for spread it and wait for some time to action over it like Harpic and other cleaning materials. Yes, it is so smooth that, yeah, very nice. Moreover, it cleanses, and see the sparkle over it. Wow, amazing. It gives me pleasure and so happiness that I cannot express in words. It gives me stress, less life. Yes, that's amazing. You can see now this sparkle shining over this one. Thank you very much. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। अभी आप देख रहे होंगे ये मेरे किचन का ऊपर का बॉक्स है जिसपे कि बहुत सारे दाग लगे हुए हैं। इसको मैं बायोएंजाइम से धोया हुआ मॉप से पोंछने वाला हूँ। मैंने एक स्वाइप मारा है और डिफरेंस आप देख सकते हैं। लाइव मैं करने वाला हूँ, देखिए, सी द डिफरेंस। वन स्ट्रोक एंड दाग गॉन। दिस इज द मैजिक ऑफ bioenzyme. Guys, this is the only thing that can change the world, that can save our mother health, save mother earth, save health. See, now I am going to mop the stain in the roof. You can see the difference. Wow, I am amazed. That is wonderful. One stroke. I need not to do twice. Wow. Oh my God. This is the wow. I am thrilled. Yeah. My wife will be certainly happy. She is not right now at home, and I am doing this work in the absence of my wife, and see the difference. Wow, amazing. That's wonderful. Good morning guys, happy Saturday, happy cleaning day. I am going to clean one more area in my kitchen which is very dirty. So I will show how you going to clean it. This is the magic of bioenzyme cleaner, and I have never ever seen this type of cleaning agent in my life. And moreover, it is without any side effect, without any health hazards, and this is definitely going to change the world. Wow, I never expected that it will work so amazing. so surprisingly. That's wonderful. Amazing. Yeah. Yeah, now I have done it. This is the great work of, I must thank to the my mentor who has given me this amazing formula, and I must express gratitude to the nature, to the bacteria which is participating in the bioenzyme making, and that is the wonderful thing I have explored now. This is great. So amazing. Wow.